Last weekend was MRRF 2019. In case you missed it, here's some pictures. It was about 30% larger this year than it was the previous year. It grows every year. This printer you see here was printing the rocket ship that failed, obviously. It kind of collapsed on the top. That's a 17-foot Part Daddy 3D printer. It prints straight from pellets. It doesn't use filament. This is a completely 3D printed BB-8 working. It rolls along the floor just like the toy BB-8s do. Bunch of 3D printed cosplay weapons. This is a production type 3D printer. It continuously prints the same object over and over, and it comes off on a conveyor belt. 3D printed Wonder Woman outfit, except for the leather, of course. This is a Delta style concrete 3D printer. Boy, do I have a treat for you guys. Are you ready? This is a Pocket NC 5-axis mill. Look at that pretty thing. It's on loan to us from the BeagleBone guys. They are going to let us use it for a little while. We're going to do some videos. Our makerspace is in the upstairs above the offices in my shop, and a little trouble getting it up the steps. But you know, it's in a protective case. It's all good. Like I said, we're going to do some videos. We're going to do some training videos, beginner type things, and we'll see what this thing can do. So stay tuned on our channel and be on the lookout for future videos on this Pocket NC, and hopefully we can make some cool things.